The challenges that our business partners are seeing in the marketplace today is the consumers driving them to places that they're not extremely comfortable being through the use of these other channels. They've built the traditional contact center support over the years that really drove people to agent, maybe some IVR and speech, and then of course the web. But now with social and mobile, that presents challenges to our potential business partners that they're not really prepared to take on. And we can support them in not only helping them enter into those channels and support those channels, but also connecting the communication from those channels. It's very important as you look at those three important things of driving cost out of the organization, increasing revenue in the transaction, but at the same time, always the critical element is maintaining that customer experience. So what West brings to the table is the ability to add these channels or the ability to add technology that will allow them to connect these channels and break down the silos. So as we work with our partners to assist them in transforming their contact center, that's one of the things we bring to the table, is the ability to add channels that they don't have today, or connect the information and data from various channels so you can have a centralized view and really personalize the transaction, which meets the consumer's need and not the enterprise's need. And it does that while reducing costs, which is a very unique position that we find ourselves in the marketplace, and very positive for all of us. The biggest thing is, we have something very much in common in that we've run call centers since 1986. So, we know how to operationalize these technologies. It's not just a matter of putting the technologies in place, but it's really important that your partners understand how to operationalize the technology and get the most out of the technology. So a really good example of the use and the recognition of consumer-driven care is really in the airline space. And we see a number of airline partners who are much more proactive. And for years, as a frequent traveler myself, the airlines always assumed that when I called them, they wanted to get me to an agent because I'm one of their most prized customers, and they thought it was really important that I get to an agent. Well, if there's a huge storm in a major city for one of these airlines, it doesn't matter whether I'm a priority customer or not, because their operators, their agents, are getting bombarded with traffic. As a frequent traveler nowadays, what they're going to do is proactively reach out to me and say, hey, I see you're trying to get from New York to Omaha, and you were going through Chicago. There's a huge storm in Chicago. Here's 3 other options. I get that SMS sent to my phone. I choose one of those options. They sent me a confirmation that says you've been rerouted through Dallas, and I'm, maybe home an hour later, but I'm home, versus sitting in New York because there's weather in Chicago and I never even get out of the airport. So that's a great example of how they're proactive. And then all the way through your travel, all the way through that trip, even if it hasn't been interrupted with weather, you're constantly getting automated notifications from the airline saying, your flight's on time, it's coming from this gate. All those things that you don't think about are at your convenience. Some of them are driven by you, some of them are driven by the airline, but in almost every case, they prevent you from reaching out and probably asking for a more expensive transaction. So I either go to a gate agent in an airport. If I can't find a board, I pick up a phone and I call somebody. Even if it's an IVR transaction, if it's an automated voice transaction, that's still a more expensive transaction than a proactive reach via SMS. So, it's a win for the airline. It's a win for me as the consumer, because the airline's now listening to me as the consumer and looking at the devices in which I'd prefer to be communicated with, and not assuming that as a frequent flyer, I always want to talk to an agent. So I feel much better about the transaction. I'm not sitting in queue waiting to talk to an agent. They're getting me the information, they're doing it proactively, and they're personalizing the transaction. So I think that's a great example. We're seeing that from a number of our travel partners today. And where we support that transaction is we can connect those channels, we can support individual channels, or we can support the overall transformation of moving from where they were to where they want to be, and that's supporting that consumer-driven transaction.